the cheapest way to replace a pool pump, I'll show you. But first, check this out. Have a listen to this. I think I've been in denial, you know, like I've heard this pool pump slowly getting louder over the last few weeks, and despite backwashing it and rinsing it and cleaning the skimmer basket, you know what, there's no other reason why this pump might be struggling other than it's worn out. My wife said to me, "Babe, just get someone to fix the pool pump." That sounds like a challenge to me. So I've been online and ordered a replacement pump. Apparently it's compatible. It cost me $360, which I thought was pretty reasonable. It had good reviews and a 3-year warranty. Now I've got no affiliation with this Australian company, but I've added a link down below in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Shut the power off or unplug the pump from its supply. Close off any valves that you can see. Open the skimmer box cover to ease any leftover pressure in the system. This one is stuck, man. Either it's been put on too tight or without any of that lubricant on the O-ring seal, and I'm probably going to break it doing this, but so be it. The pump's shot anyway. Alternatively, you can open the little drain down here, which is found on some of these pumps. If these fittings don't want to unscrew, then we can just cut them off, but it means that we'd need to replace them when we connect the new pump. There's a place in town that rebuilds these pumps, so I'll give them a call and see if they want it. Otherwise, I'm just going to put it in the metal recyclers, but either way, I don't want it to go into landfill. I'm looking through my treasure chest of PVC pipes and connectors in the garage here, looking for a little sleeve, a little connector. These cost about $4 from the hardware store. Now this is for PVC pressure pipe, so slightly thicker than just your drainage pipe. Make sure you prime the PVC. This preps the surface. It removes the waxes so that the cement or the glue gets a good bond. Just using the glue on its own, it's not strong enough, so make sure you use that priming fluid. I like the clear primer and the clear cement because it looks nicer. This stuff is rated to 4,000 kPa, and that's fine because often a pool pump's not going to get above 180 kilopascals. Once the pump's in place and all the plumbing's connected, open up the gate valves. It's a good idea to prime the pump by tipping a bucket of water in there. Do you know what I forgot to do? Is put little O-rings where these connectors go to the pump. So I've had a rummage around in the bottom of the box that this pump came in. I found a packet with 2 O-rings in it, so we better get those installed. Otherwise, as soon as we've got some pressure coming into this pump, we're going to have little unintentional water features happening. Fingers crossed. It's alive! Yoo! That is so much quieter than the last pump that we had. They were totally right what they were saying about that pump being compatible. That was such an easy changeover, and doing it myself saved $100. Is it safe to do at home? I reckon it is. Follow those steps so you're opening the valves and so on to release pressure. And as far as electrical goes, I just unplug the old one and plug the new one in. To keep your pool water hygienic, you've got to have a chlorinator that's working right. If yours is on the fritz, check out this video here. I'll show you how to change it. Or if you want to see my best tips on how to cut and glue PVC, it's right there. Check it out and I'll see you there.